Hello there, in this tutorial I will show how to insert text like this. The first one, you have a background image that is a forest and the text is white, and the second one, the text is the forest. Okay, so let's see how to do that. Welcome back. I have already set up some code for you. This is very simple. I have two divs, both have CSS classes. The first class is called 𝗀𝘁𝘁1 and the second class is 𝗀𝘁𝘁𝘁2. Also, I have an h1 element inside of each div, both with the text example1 and text example2. Okay, so in the style element, I have the property for the body to increase the font size to 400%, and this is our output. So let's start. So now I will add CSS properties to this class of the first div. So I say for the class 𝗀𝘁𝘁𝘁1, I have the property background image with the URL forest JPEG. Okay, and also I'm saying that the color of the text is white. Let's see how it displays. Okay, now we have this white text with the forest behind. I forgot to say that I have this image with the forest. Okay, this image forest.jpeg is in the same folder as 𝗀𝘁𝘁𝗁.html. Now let's do the same for the second CSS class. So for the class 𝗀𝘁𝘁𝘁2 background image actually is the same image of the previous one, and we have to add the properties -WebKit text fill color transparent. Also I will include a WebKit background clip equals to text. So let's see how this displays for the 𝗀𝘁𝘁𝘁2. Now we have a background where the text is actually the pieces of original image. Okay, let's see better. As you can see, this is our background image but in the text. So that is it. Thank you for watching and hope you like it.